Hello everyone, this is Jack from SAGAMAC Machinery, and today we introduce our 360 full-side planer motor machine. And this machine is a very compact size, but very robust and a very big capacity machine. It can both use for the shop and also for the small, medium enterprise. And this machine will use the electrical read or down to make sure that it's very easy to set the thickness. If it works as a full-side planer, it can do 360 mm width and up to 210 millimeter height. And if it's performed as a double-side planer, it can plan maximum 400. We are using gearbox feeding, which is very powerful, and it can make sure that all the feeding rollers is running at the same speed to give a synchronic feeding. By turning this knob, we can increase or decrease the feeding speed, and the feeding speed is variable from 3 to 15 meters per minute.